The mortgage term of today is payment shock. And what payment shock is a drastic increase in your mortgage payment from what you were previously paying in rent or not paying rent at all. Depending on your credit score and your credit profile, payment shock may become an issue when it comes to your loan approval. You may be able to afford a lot more than the bank is going to allow you to purchase because of payment shock. Usually, payment shock up to 150% is allowed, but when you get to 250%, 225%, the bank is going to limit what you can afford because they have no history of you paying a large amount for housing. So how you counteract that is you want to have reserves, so which is 3 to 6 months of the housing payment that you're going up to somewhere in your savings or retirement account or anything, or you want to get a co-signer to help you along with the payment shock, or you want to have a very good credit and a high credit score to where you get an automated approval and payment shock is not an issue. Usually when payment shock is an issue is when you have marginal credit and you have a marginal file. It's approvable, but it's not an automated approval. Payment shock is a big thing. So a lot of times people will go and you will get pre-qualified, or you will give the loan officer the wrong amount that you pay for rent. And when we say rent or housing, we mean verifiable rent, verifiable housing payments that you've paid in the past. We're going to look at your last 12 to 24 months to make sure that you haven't had any late payments on your rent or anything like that. Sometimes you can add utilities or different things. If you only pay a portion of the rent, and the rent is actually $2,000 and you're only paying $1,000 of it per your lease agreement or per your agreement with the person who owns the home, and you're going to a $3,000 a month payment, you have payment shock, and you will have to have compensating factors to be able to get approved. Like I said, cash reserves, a great rental payment history, income stability, a low debt to income ratio. All those things matter. So if you have questions and you're concerned about payment shock, or you want to know, are you going to have payment shock other than you just being shocked having a mortgage payment, give me a call, 404-461-3172, or hit me at reggieloans.com. Talk to you soon.